standing right here on our very own private beach. Today's celebration includes activities for the entire family. Right behind me we have water slides, which is a super great place to cool down. And when you need to take a little break, Kona Ice is here. So your biggest decision all day should be red, blue, or both. And as you can see, I chose both. And I'm gonna go enjoy this. We'll head over to Camp Creek next to learn all about the activities going on over there. On the Camp Creek driving range tonight. We have an amazing band here tonight. We've been grooving it up, having a wonderful time. The refreshing beverages are plentiful. All of our friends are here. Next up, fireworks. And we can't wait to do it again next year.